Good, let's see, Wednesday morning to you all. How are you? We're going to work on this one. That's going to be the color that's underneath. I did not make a little, I need to make my border. My little border, right like that. Not that it matters for today, but it will matter for next video. I think I'm going to make a, yeah, let's see, what's the other one? Yeah, we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna make the big one here. I'm gonna make it big, and then the next one, and then the next one coming up this line. That's what we're gonna do. So, first off, punch my holes. Right about there, I think. Looks about right, kind of halfway up my line there that I made. And then the next one is going to go here. That doesn't fit. All right, so that's not going to do what I wanted. So for this one, let's do this instead. Yep, let's do that instead. And we're going to stick. We're pivoting. We're pivoting, people. We are going to put, I've already cut out a whole bunch of these guys. Let's put a dark one here, maybe? Just trying out where I like these. I think something like that. Maybe bigger, not that size. Maybe this size, not that color. Do I have a blue on that size? Yes, I do. With a green on top. No, don't like that. Oh, you know what? I actually liked it better with the little blue one. No, that just not, I'm not feeling that one. Okay. We're going to go like that. Where'd the rest of my tape go? We just tape down. Just use my double stick tape and just tape down where we want to stick our dots. By the way, if you're jumping in the middle of this project, go back and find the beginning of July. I started page 1 on July 10th. Just look up dot journal. I'm going to have a playlist at the bottom of this page. So you can, follow along. go all the way back to the beginning. The nice thing about the playlists is you can go into playlist on YouTube and you can turn it on and just let it run from the first one all the way through, which is fun. I do that a lot with various people's videos. Just do a binge watch. So I like it when people make playlists. Some people don't. And then it's hard to just let it run when I'm doing other things in the background. You know, I'm working, I'm coloring, I'm doing a variety of things, cleaning house or whatever. And I've just got it playing on the TV. And it's so much easier when it's on a playlist and I can just let it run and kind of come back and forth to it. Where did my scissors go? Hello, scissors? Oh, my desk is such a disaster. Where's my scissors? I just had them. There they are, under my phone. Haha. Okay. Let's cut that off there. We're going to cut this off here. Oh, that one must have had a little bit of stickum to it. It's stuck to my scissors. Okay. Where's the other end? Ah! Come on. Let's at least throw the trash away in the trash can where it belongs. Okay. Next. This direction. Okay. Look at all these dots I have. I have lots of dots. Lots and lots of dots. Aren't they pretty? They are pretty. I think when I'm all finished, I'm going to stick them all down on a piece of mixed media paper. I think that's what I'm going to do with the leftovers. We're going to get rid of that little guideline. I don't need it. We are going to stitch. Stitch, stitch, stitch. Sorry, got quiet. I'm thinking. Going bigger, smaller, bigger. Like that. And I should have room for like that. Ha! Look at that. That worked. That worked better than I anticipated. Excellent. Really do just like this running stitch. easy to draw. It looks good. It looks like sewing, which is awesome. Like that. Maybe with, and this one also a nice running stitch with and we'll just go all the way around like a spiral. That's good. Do I need anything else on that? Or is it good? I need something more here. Let's do a blue, a row of blue. And a row of green or red? Red. I draw my stitching the same way I would probably stitch my stitching. I'm a sloppy stitcher. I admit it, I'm a sloppy stitcher. Okay, that is good. I like how that looks. And then underneath is going to be the dark paper. And then through these holes, we are going to do whatever it is we do. So I'm going to do that and that. That way I know where those are when I come to doing that page on the next video. All right, so you guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Go do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And if you have an extra $1 or $2 and you want to support me, feel free. I would appreciate it. If you do not, whatever you do not give me any money if you can't afford it. Because I know that for myself, I can't afford it for most people. I've done a few buy me a coffees, but I have not done very many because I really just can't afford it. So if you can't afford it, don't. I'm just telling you right now, don't. All right. You guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.